So Pictory just launched a new feature. It's called Pictory GPT, where inside ChatGPT, you can go ahead and create your videos with Pictory in a seamless integration. I'm going to show you how that works in just a minute, but if you're interested in making an online income today, go ahead and click the link down below in the description, and you can sign up for my newsletter, and I will send you regular updates on how to earn an income online. Now, in order to get started with this, we're going to need to go to our ChatGPT. This is just from the main screen. Now, it is to be noted that you do need a ChatGPT Plus subscription in order to do this, because you do not get access to the GPTs without one. So let's go ahead and explore GPT. Now, also, you do need to be, you need to have access to your Pictory. So just make sure that you are signed into your Pictory account. I'm just going to go ahead and log in just to make sure that I'm logged into my Pictory account here. And I'm logged in there, and that is good. So let's go ahead and start. So if you don't have a Pictory account, I put a link down below in the description where you can get 20% off by clicking that link. So go ahead and do that if you're not a subscriber, but you do have to be a subscriber in order to download the videos. So let's go ahead and search for Pictory, and Pictory GPT will show up here. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. And now it comes up with your custom Pictory GPT. So now what we're going to do is we're just going to tell it what kind of video that we want. So we'll do create a video about grilling with charcoal. And I'm just going to hit enter, and we'll see what it comes up with. So to create a video script about grilling with charcoal, I'd like to know more about your intended audience. Who do you want this video appeal to? For example, are they beginners, or more experienced, or advanced? We'll do beginner grillers. Okay. And we'll see what happens here. Let's say, okay, so we'll focus on beginner grillers before we proceed. Could you also specify the platform you're using this for? So we'll go ahead and do YouTube. And perfect, a YouTube video aimed at beginner grillers with the topic of grilling with charcoal. Here's a concise, engaging script for a video that lasts about a minute. Now, you can also, if you want, tell it, I want it to be 1.5 minutes, or I want it to be 2 minutes long. But I didn't tell it that, so it also automatically said about a minute. So let's go ahead and just let it go ahead and do the script. Now, the good thing about this GPT is that it's going to do the script and everything. It's going to create the video and everything for you without you ever having to go into Pictory. And once it's done, then you can go into Pictory and make any changes if you want. How does the script look? We'll just put is okay. Add a male voice. Okay. And I'm told that the script is okay, and it's going to add a male voice to it. Okay. Now it's communicating with Pictory, and it's starting the action. What it's going to do next is it's going to go ahead and call up to Pictory and say, hey, I want a video, this kind of video done, and it's going to automatically do it. So we're just going to go ahead and wait for that to go. This could take a minute or two in order for that to start. Okay, so it says talk to chat.pictory.ai. So right now it's in the video creation process, and it's going to continually update and make sure that the video is done before it goes any further. So as you can see, it says the video is still underway. Every so often, it's just going to check and check and check to make sure that it's done. Also, when you use this for the first time, it's going to want you to approve the use of going to Pictory with your ChatGPT, connecting your ChatGPT to Pictory. So the first time you use it, you want to go ahead and approve that, or always approve it, whichever way you want. You just click a button for that. So I'm just going to let this do its thing. It's just going to take a few minutes in order to do, and I'll be right back when it's finished. Well, your video is ready. That was fast. Okay, so what it's going to do now, it's going to give me a link to the video. And as you can see, that's spinning out now. And final polish needed with Pictory, blah, 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 blah. It's going to tell you that you can do all the editing there. So let's go ahead and click on the link here. And it's going to open this up in Pictory. And this is how this is the way I can preview. Now, as you can see, it's not perfect in the timing. It said a minute long. This is actually 1:50 long, but that's okay. Let's go ahead and I'm just going to play just a very short portion of this so you can see how this turned out.
Welcome to the world of charcoal grilling, a journey that promises to turn you into the ultimate backyard barbecue hero. Let's get started with the basics. First, choose your charcoal. Lump charcoal burn.
Okay, so as you can see, that is a professional voice. Also, it used the text to come up with really good scenes for our video. Now, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and watch all the video right through just to make sure that all the scenes line up. If there's anything that you want to change, you can click on this edit video up here at the top right. Just click on this button that says edit video, and then it's going to come up and let you do all kinds of edits from the script. You can edit the visuals. Just click on visuals here. You can edit the audio. If you don't want that voice, you can change the voice if you want. You can change the styles. You can add text, emojis, all kind of stuff. Just play around with it if you don't know how to work Pictory. But really, the reason why you want to use this Pictory GPT is because it's really a big time saver. It works within ChatGPT, and it sends everything over to Pictory. All you have to do is approve the video, and you can go ahead and download it. And once you've downloaded it, all of the watermarks are going to go away. So I hope you found this video helpful to you. If you did, please give it a like below. Also subscribe to the channel because I'm going to have more videos just like this coming out in the near future. Also, once again, if you're interested in earning an income online, click on that link down below and sign up for my newsletters. I'm going to have some regular updates and really cool stuff for you. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.